Today in this video I show you how to create videos with music and animation in Canva. For this you have to open Canva. Now to make video you have to click on video. Now select the display ratio for the video, or you can choose these templates. After selecting the style you want for the video, you will find different designs to create your video that you can just use by tapping on it. Now I have already made a video to explore things clearly. You can see this is a short video, but you can create longer videos without worrying about the length. You can now mix things up in the video by changing the color and position of elements, editing the text, and applying different visual effects. You can also add animation to text, elements, and videos. By this animation, you can see inside this, you will get different types of animation. Now to add music, you have to click on add audio. Now if you have your own audio, then you can use upload, and if you don't have it, then use the audio from Canva. You will find a variety of songs to choose from, and you can preview them using this icon and add them to your video with just one click. Now you can select the music length. If you hold the video and move it, you can select the part of audio that you want to play and click on share to download the video in a format that you want. So this is how you can create videos with music and animation in Canva. Thank you for watching this video. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel for more interesting videos like this.